Hi, I'm Joey Morrow with Gears Program, and this is Wild Facts, where the facts are wild and so are the cats. Here we're talking about saccadic masking. Well, what is it? Here, let me show you. So, our eyes are really bad at detecting motion. Like this pencil. It looks like it's rubber, like it's flowing, right? When in reality, it's just going up and down. So when we shake our heads really fast, or we roll our eyes, it's too much motion for our brains to comprehend. So how do we overcome that obstacle? Easy, saccadic masking. Our brain turns off the optic nerve from our eyes to our brain. Just turns it off so we don't see anything. But it looks like we do. Why is that? Because it turns it off for about 50 microseconds. It's like half the minute. So why exactly don't we realize that? Because our brain, while manipulating our visual perception, also manipulates our timing, our sense of time. In other words, it just edits out that part. So next time you're walking in the hallway, be careful how fast you're moving, because you might not see the person in front of you. Anyway, I'm Joey Morrow. This is Wild Facts, and you have a good day.